Nilam Book to the page of 143. We are going to look at the last subtopic here, problem solving regarding our equation of straight line. Okay, what we have over here at 17a. In the diagram below, line PQ, okay, over there, already say what? Parallel. Okay. Line PQ parallel to RS. So parallel. I'm going to have the arrow there. Okay. To RS. Before I proceed to the question, what did the questions mean parallel?
M1 equals to M2.
Means you are going to have our gradient for PQ. You are going to have equals to the gradient of our RS. M is gradient, okay. Next, given the equation of line PQ. Okay, we have our line PQ equation here. Y equals to mx plus 3. The y equals to mx plus 3. Find the value of m.
Use the Q.
If you look over there, what did we have at our diagram there? Our coordinate Q. What does it mean by our coordinate Q? It lies on our straight line, isn't it? So means that it's gonna satisfy our equation of straight line. Means what? Means I'm going to use 2 5. Okay? So I'm gonna have our 2 5 here, which means this is gonna be x, this is gonna be y. We're gonna substitute into our equation y equals to, so y already I have there 5 equals to, did we have our m? No. Did we have our x? Yes. Then we are going to have over there plus with 3. So what should you do here? Bring what? 3 to the other side, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 5 minus 3. We are gonna get 2 equals to 2m, means that our m here is gonna be 1. Can, girls? Okay. What will we do next after we have the value of m? We're gonna find the equation of RS. Okay, if you look over there, we have our what point given there? Our R here. For -5. Did we have our gradient for PQ just now?
It's parallel to RS, so the whole S
So just now you stated that the gradient of PQ will be equals to the gradient of RS. Means that you already have the gradient of RS, which is equals to 1. Isn't it? Okay, now I'm going to copy here at number 2 here. So we are going to get our R is for -5 with the gradient we have just now is 1. So if I want to find the equation of the straight line RS, what should we do?
Find C first.
Find C by using our y equals to mx plus c with the value of x is 4 and y here is -5. So just substitute over here. -5 equals to gradient just now is 1 X here is
4.
4. Then you are going to have plus
C.
plus with C. So 1 times 4,
4.
4. Bring to the left side. Negative 4. So means that your C here is going to be negative 5, negative 4. You're going to get negative 9. So substitute back into our equation of RS now. We are going to have what, girls?
Y.
Y equals to
1x.
X only lah.
Okay, x minus 9.
X minus 9. This is going to be our equation of straight line RS. If I want to put 1x, can? Can. But usually we are going to write X only lah. Okay, girls? Okay. The third question. Find the x-intercept of straight line RS. Okay, if you look at the diagram there. Which one is going to be your x-intercept? This is supposedly your x, right?
Yes.
So intersect at x is going to be our point S, isn't it?
Yes.
Did the question give to us point S?
No.
No. But what did we know? It's going to be relate with our straight line. Okay. What did we know about our point S there? Parallel, no, that one is straight line.
It's positive. 4.
If we want to find the coordinate of S.
Coordinate.
Coordinate of S.
4.
How come you got 4? 4 is going to be here. 4 is going to be here. Right?
Yeah.
Negative 5 is going to be here. If you want to write your coordinate lah. For S. What is 0? The origin. The Y is going to be 0. Am I right?
Yes.
So means that one, our S here, you are going to get your coordinate is x0. Am I right?
Yes. Now we have to put it inside the.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Why did we know that x0?
Because it lies on the.
Because it lies on our x-axis. If lies on our y-axis, for example, over here, I'm going to get this one is 0y. Am I right? Am I right? Because it lies on our y-axis. Can you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So, if you have like this, okay, x-intercept of straight line RS, straight away you are going to say that our y is 0. So means that you are going to get your coordinate here is x0. When x0, then this one we are going to use what? Straight line RS. Did we have our equation of straight line RS just now? Already, right? We find in our second questions that y equals to x minus 9. Am I right? So what you are going to do here? Yes.
Substitute into y.
We are going to substitute into our equation of straight line. Y with what? This is our x. This is our y, right? So just substitute into our equation there. 0 equals to x minus 9. Am I right? So, can you find your x now? Bring negative 9 to the left side. Your x here is going to be 9. That's going to be our x value. Is it our coordinate?
No.
So, our coordinate will be
9.
90. This is the x intercept. Can girls? Please be careful. If x intercept, y will be 0. If y intercept, x gonna be 0. Can girls? Okay. We are going to look at B now. Can I proceed? Okay. Just now is page 143. Okay, we're gonna look at our questions B. The diagram below shows the parallelogram. Now, from the words parallel. Okay. JKLM. So, when we have parallelogram, means what? Our JK will have with ML there or LM there. And how about our JM? You are going to get the same with our KL there. Isn't it? Parallelogram. Okay. Given that the JM, where's JM? Okay, over there. The JM gradient is -1/2. So the question gives to us already the gradient for JM. -1/2. So I'm going to write down over here M for JM. What does it mean? Gradient for JM. -1/2. And the y-intercept for JK. So means that, what does it mean by y-intercept, girls? Yes. So means that it's going to be here 3. Means you are going to have over here, right? Isn't it? So it's going to be, what is the coordinate you are going to get there? 0, 0, 3. Right. Okay. That's why you have to understand what is the question given to us and how you are going to interpret. Okay. Find the value of A. Where is A? Okay, down here. Oh, how we are going to relate A here with the... We didn't have anything at M. What did we have? Gradient. What gradient you have? So you are going to use what?
M is the y 2 minus y 1.
Did we have our equation of straight line?
No.
Nothing. None. But I can find from the equation of straight line by using our given there. Gradient of JM. Means that I'm going to find what first? The equation of straight line for our JM. How? By using y equals to mx plus c. Am I right? For JM. Okay, JM here. This is our JM. Okay, our JM here. So y equals to gradient. Just now you have what? -1/2x. Then you are going to have c there is 3. How did I know 3? Then y-intercept for j there. Am I right? Okay. If this one is going to be the equation for straight line for JM, means if we are going to find our value of A there is parallel. Can you see the parallel? Which one is parallel? Our JM. Yes, JM. Sorry. Our gradient. Gradient of JM is going to be equals to the gradient of our what? KL, isn't it? Am I right? Am I right? Okay. If we have our gradient of JM already just now -1/2, can I find the gradient for KL? K, did we have our K there? Did we have the coordinate of K?
Yes.
Did we have the coordinate of L?
Yes.
Yes, A0, right? Can we find our gradient? How? Gradient of KL equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Did you remember?
Yeah.
So we have our gradient of KL. Did we have our gradient of KL?
Yeah.
What is it? Gradient KL is what? Gradient of JM. Gradient of JM what? I just put over here negative 1 over 2. Did we have our y2, y1, x2, x1? Where is it? Where is it? There. This is going to be your what? x1, y1, x2, y2. Why did I use KL? Because we are going to find the gradient of KL, isn't it?
Yes.
So, substitute lah. y2.
0 minus
y2 is going to be 0 minus
0.
7. So, you're going to write over here, y2 is 0 minus with y1 is going to be 7 over x2. Yay! Minus with 3. So, you are going to have what over here? Negative 1 over 2 equals to 0 minus 7? Negative 7 over a minus 3, isn't it? Cannot have negative 3 lah, right? So, what should we do? Yes, we are going to do cross multiplication. Means what over here? Negative 1 times with a minus 3. So I'm going to have write down over here. Negative 1 times everything there. A minus 3. Times means I put bracket, can write? Okay. Equals to, what do you have there? Negative 7 times with 2. Can, girls? So what should you do next? Expand. Negative 1 times a, negative a. Negative 1 times negative 3 plus 3 equals to negative 7 times 2 negative 14. So if I want to find my a over here, bring 3 to the right side, minus. So you are going to have your a here, negative a first, negative 17, because we are going to find what? The value of a, not the value of negative a. So means that you are going to times both of sides with negative 1. So we are going to get a here is 17. By using what? This formula. Okay. Find the equation of straight line LM. Okay, wait. LM. Where's our LM? LM is going to be here, girls. How did we want to find the equation of straight line LM? You have to find what first?
The point of M.
Can I find my LM there? I don't have what?
The coordinate of M.
We have our A just now, right? A is what? 17, right?
Yes.
Okay, means that we have our point of L here is 17, 0. Isn't it?
Yes.
Do we have our M? No.
No.
If I don't have my M there, can I find my gradient for that one? Cannot. So, finish. How we want to find M? How you are going to find M? Okay. Look back at the diagram. What does the question say? Parallel. LM will be parallel with what?
J.
JK there. This gradient, so means that the gradient of our KJ or JK? KJ kan ada isu pula Okay, JK here, you are going to have the same with our gradient of LM. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah. It's going to be the same. Why? Parallel. So, I'm going to find the what? The gradient of our JK. Can? Somebody asking, why did we want to find JK? The question said LM. Because the gradient of JK, you are going to get the grade equals to the gradient of LM. So I'm going to find the gradient for JK. So how to find JK? Gradient of JK? By using the formula. Oh my. Okay, tell me the J coordinate just now. We have J coordinate just now. 0, 3. From our diagram, there. J03, K is 37. Okay. K is 37. This type of question will be coming out in your exam now. Okay. In section C lah. Okay. So, it say over here, we are going to find what? Gradient. Okay. Show to you back. There. The equation. The formula to find our gradient. So can I find the gradient of JK now? Can. So the gradient of JK will be, okay, I know. This one x1, y1. This one will be x2, y2. So means that we are going to get y2 there first. It's going to be 7 minus with y1 there is going to be 3 over our x2 here is going to be 3 minus with our x1 there is 0. So 7 minus 3, 4 over 3. So you are going to get our JK here is going to be 4 over 3. Means what? Means this one also our gradient of LM. Isn't it? Okay. Now, the question saying that find the equation of straight line. So we know the equation of straight line will be what? Y equals to mx plus c. Am I right?
Yes.
Did we have our gradient? Yes. Did we have our c?
No.
So how to find c?
We have to use the L coordinate.
Because we have our point of L. Am I right? Yes. We are going to find our c. So state for me the gradient for L. The gradient pula. The coordinate of L just now?
17.
Yes. So by substitute into our L here is 17, 0. So means that this is going to be your x, this is going to be your y. Substitute into our equation here. 0 equals to gradient just now you have 4 over 3. X here you are going to get 17, isn't it?
Yes.
17 plus with C. So 4 times 17. Calculator. 68 over 3. Bring to the left side. Negative 68 over 3. That's going to be your... What is C? What is C? No, this one only C. Y-intercept. The question is asking what, girls? So by substitute back into our equation there.
Y equals to
Y equals to gradient. You're gonna get 4 over 3 x plus with minus. Minus 68 over 3. This will be your equation of straight line LM. Come again?
5 minutes, teacher.
No, we didn't finish. Number 3. you ask break 5 minutes. Wait. I got only 3 more minutes. Wait. Okay, now the last question. Find the equation of straight line KL. Alamak. Where's KL? Benda yang sama je.
Oh, there got 2 equations.
Did you want to find the gradient for KL first? Oh, ready there. Yes.
Negative 1 or 2?
Then?
We have to find C.
Yes. So means that you are going to use either L or you either K coordinate there.
We use K.
You want to use K, okay. K37. Okay, let me put here K37. K37. Our gradient just now for KL just now is negative
1 over 2.
negative 1 over 2. Then
Y equals to
go back. Y equals to mx plus c. Means over here you have your x, you have your y. Substitute back. Y here is 7 equals to gradient here is negative 1 over 2. X here is going to be 3. So means that you can find your c. Negative 1 times 3, negative 3 over 2. Bring to the left side. You're going to get 7 plus with 3 over 2. So 7 plus 3 over 2, you're going to get 17 over 2. So you are going to write back your equation of straight line as what? Y equals to gradient negative 1 over 2 x
plus 17 over 2.
yes plus 17 over 2. Done for our KL. Finally. Aish.